Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the BONOSS unofficial channel. So why do I need 4x4 wheel spacers?
For most owners, the major reason to run 4x4 spacer is to solve clearance issues and improve off-road performance. Wider tires not only offer you a better handling, but also make the obstacles much smaller. When you are ready to level up your off-roading vehicle, you may want to add wider tires on the stock rims. But the wheel offset is not ideal as you want. To avoid the larger tires rubbing against your fender or other suspension components, you need to invest in new wheels with less back spacing or buy a wheel spacer.
BONOSS owns an independent OEM factory. OEM and ODM is available. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bolt pattern conversion to fit custom wheels, BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3mm thick to 160mm thick are available. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCD conversion wheel adapters. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.